که تشنگی بر اردوی حسین غالب شد و کودک 6 ماهش به میدان آمد. او را بر سر دست بلند کرد و فریاد زد. وقتی زدم که حسین دامن دشداشش را بالا برد تا عرق از جبین بردارد. تیر سوم را به قلب حسین زدم. ببر صدایت را ملعون.
You know, 2-3 years. As we speak right now, I heard the sound of a blast. This could be a bomb. This could be a bomb that was detonated here in the city of Karbala, because a couple of years ago I heard a similar sound and it was a bomb, and lots of people were killed. But I'd like to add one point. Even though we heard the sound of the explosion, we're in Karbala, we understand the dangers that surround us, but this will not deter us from visiting Imam Hussein. We'll stay in Karbala and we'll visit his shrine even if our blood is shed.
Each year, on the 10th of Muharram, the first month in lunar calendar, Iraqi Shia Muslims, young and old, commemorate the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad. Despite being potentially targeted by attacks, millions of Shia pilgrims have gathered at the holy shrines in Karbala.